Hi, I'm Josh Lowry from Samaki, Australia. We're here to show you some of our latest gear. Zing Extreme, big upgrade. Previously, big selling series for us. It's been around in the market for around 4 years. Full redesign using the latest quality componentry from Fuji. New Fuji reel seats. Lighter weight guides than we previously had, so the blanks feel very crisp. But huge range. We've basically got over 30 models in the range, ranging from ultralight spin right up to your heavy sort of 7'6" offshore snapper, and many more baitcaster models. So lots of 7 foot that we've introduced from feedback. We've got now 3 7-foot rods in the range for all the guys to keep them happy up the top end for throwing Zoff vibes. But we still have our traditional 6 foot, 6'4" for the guys down further south inland waters. We have quite a unique rod here in the range. It's called Zing Extreme Tele. It's a reel seat designed by us. It's one rod that you can now fish everywhere or through different tide changes. For example, as it comes at 6 foot long, you can simply loosen off this front grip. You can extend it to 6'2", 6'6", up to 7 foot, tighten it up, and you're ready to go. You've got a soft vibe rod right down to throwing hard bodies, trolling. Available in 3 models. There's a BM, which is 8 to 14 pound. There is a BMH, 10 to 17 pound, and a BH, which is a brute stick, and it's 12 to 25 pound. So check them out.